Good morning to my 825 strong gang members on the Your Cushy channel. Thank you for following, watching, subscribing and liking and subscribing if you haven't already. But what we're doing on this channel is we're figuring out ways that we can earn money in the UK without having a job. Because realistically, who wants a boss? Who likes turning up on time or getting told off? And who likes asking for time off to enjoy their own life? Because I don't. So, for 2 months I have been reselling. If you've been watching, you know where we're up to. If you're new here, I've done loads of random things. I've done, I think, 4 car boots. I've bought stock from loads of random places. I've driven around the country, enjoying my life, and also finding stock as well. I'm trying to think what else I've done now. I just had a mind fart. But basically, I'm going to skip all of that because I start every video with all of this. If you want to know how to make some money, go back and watch my series. But on my last video, it was the end of my 2nd month and I showed you my figures. So just briefly, if I open this back up, I'll show you. Month number 1 is here. Okay, so all of the stock that I purchased, the amount of miles I did and where I went to. Down here is the total spend, the total petrol that I had to pay for, the total earned and the total profit. So the total profit was actually £355.64 for month 1. And that was because I didn't realise you can claim 55p per mile. So I only did it at £54, but actually I need to add on another 144 for the amount of miles I did to add to the business. So it makes the profit look a little bit less, but I think the petrol is actually helping me be paid a little bit more, if that makes sense. Anyway, let's go to this month. So again, that's the amount I spent on all of my stock. That is where I got all of my stock from. That is the date that I bought the stock. So I've got it all written down, and these are the amount of miles that I did. And you can claim 55p per mile up to 10,000 miles in the year. So if we come down to the bottom, my total spend, 700 quid, total petrol, 160. Total sold on eBay and Vinted was this amount, so 500 and 970. That means my total earned was 1469.50 and my profit 612 for the month. But if we jump over to this side, I sold 2 things on World of Books, 2 things on Music Magpie. I did a tip run for someone. I earned money through TikTok and through Facebook through my reels and posting. I made £54 from 1 car boot. And that means my actual total for the month of June was £1,652.77. But my profit was 796. So from month 1, 355 to month 2, we have doubled our profit. Then if you want to go further and minus off my life, like my fun, my food, etc., my gym membership, I actually saved £311 this month. Now, it is not a full-time wage. I'll let you know that now. But we're only just beginning. I want to try and double this month by month by month by month. I have a mindset that isn't going to quit, isn't going to give up. I can't lose. I have to make this work. So if you're interested in knowing now, let's say this is the first time you're watching me, and you're like, oh, how did he just do that? Please go back and watch my series, subscribe, then if you see my face pop up in a thumbnail, just be like, oh, that's that guy. Click on me, send me a little like, send me a comment. If you need any questions answering, I'm your man. If you want to know how to use World of Books, any of that stuff, send me a message, I'm happy to help. I want every single person out there to win. Why should we all go through life being told what to do by a government and by a boss, just people that don't really give a shit, when you've got one life to enjoy it however you want to, okay? If you have a goal, go for it. If you've got a job and you want to do this as a side hustle, or you love your job, that's fine. You just want to do this to make some money so that you get a free holiday every year, do it, okay? Please just do it. Everybody deserves more money. Okay, so now where we're at. My girlfriend is with me, which is lovely. She's got 2 job interviews today. So first day here, she's got 2. 1 at a nursery, 1 at a gym. Hopefully she gets offered both, then she can decide what she wants to do. But because she's trying to be an online PT and bits like this, the gym one will probably be the best. But we will see. I have got to a point now in this business where I know the best way to do it. It's get stock once, twice a week if I can, if I want it, if I need it. Take all of the steam every item that needs steaming. Take the photos, and that day if I can, or that day and the next day, list all of them on eBay scheduled because I want to stay consistent. I want to list 10 every single day on Vinted and eBay. If, for example, I have 35 items, let's say I have 35 items, I'll do exactly the same work, but I'll just list 5 per day, rather than 10. I also take better photos that have been steamed from stock I've already got listed. I get that all ready. I make a new draft on Vinted or a new schedule for eBay, and in the title I put delete. So on the day that I need to upload it, if it has delete in the title, I go back through what's already listed, delete it, and then post it. So I've already got it ready for me. It's got a new thumbnail, it's got a new picture, it's been steamed. It might sell better because of the steaming. I've got my trusty steamer down here, and I don't want to say yet that it is working better with sales, but in like a week or so of using it, I do think I've seen an increase. But because I didn't use one for like 7 weeks and I've used it for 1 week, I don't want to say it is and for you to go and buy one. Let me figure out first if it wasn't a waste of money or if it was, and then I will let you know whether you should do that as well. But yeah, we're at quite a good point. I'm happy. And like I said before, because I travelled for 11 years, my mindset is stuck on doing what I want. I did it for 11 years. I want to do it now that I'm back in the UK. I can't remember what I was going to say then. What was I going to fucking say? I had a mind fart again. I think it's because I've woken up later than normal because my girlfriend's here and I haven't had my tea. Because if you've been following, you know I have an addiction. I can't even remember what I was going to say. Anyway, I'm going to get on with my day. I've got maybe like 10 more things ready that I can schedule to get ready. But I've got a whole room in there full of crap. I've got loads of like jeans, trousers and bits like that I'm going to take downstairs. I'm not going to photo them on this board because I end up getting parts of the wall, so it doesn't look that good. So I'm going to go downstairs, use the wooden flooring, just lay them out, get my photos done. And that's it for now. It is photo time. So I'm laying them on the floor because they don't fit on my board very well. If they were to fit on my board, it'd be lovely because I like my bit of wood. Then I don't have my board down here to take my photos on, so I quickly just put it up here so I can steam it, Lucy. Because if I lay them down and I use the steamer, all the water comes out and leaves marks, which is annoying. So I'm just hanging them on there, quickly doing it, putting it on the floor, taking my photos, all my measurements, bits like that, keeping it all together. And then when I go upstairs or at any point today, I'll schedule them onto eBay and Vinted. eBay scheduled, Vinted as drafts. And if I need to SKU some of them, I will, like we did the other day with the flares. So they'll all go into their container upstairs and they're all in order. So as soon as I've done one, I put it where it goes, even though it's not listed yet. It's a lot of work doing all this scheduling, but it is going to be good. I've done 43 on eBay, plus the 10 already listed today. So I've technically got the next 4 days of work done. I've got 71 drafts on Vinted, so that's a whole week done. So realistically, if I didn't want to work for the next few days, I wouldn't have to. I just need to package and post. So it is the best way to do it, I'm pretty sure. But I'm still going to just keep doing it. Try and get all of my stock up there. Then once that's done, I can stop, if that makes sense. But I will then keep deleting, relisting some stuff, having it ready in my drafts, posting. I will also still go and find stock, and I'll try and get as far ahead as possible. So I'm hoping if I keep putting in the work, keep getting the stock, maybe I'll have 2 weeks worth of stuff already ready to go. I won't need to actually do a lot, if that makes sense, which is the dream. And if the sales still come in and my older stuff starts selling still because I've relisted it with steamed items and better photos, I think it's the winning formula. But yeah, I am going back to my lunch. Again, exactly the same thing every day. If you want to lose weight, best way to do it. I had my egg whites this morning, and now I'm having this. So just a bowl, I can't be asked to clean up. Just use one of these. And yeah, Bob's your uncle. Fanny's your aunt. There we go, sports fans. Last 32 today. And fingers crossed, England actually play well, because they've been pretty dire. But yeah, I've just got these left that I've got photoed. I'm going to try and get them all listed within the next hour before the game kicks off. And then I'm done for a while. Honestly, I'm knackered. Tomorrow I am hoping to go to rugby to see one of my best mates. Like one of mine and my girlfriend's best mates. We actually met him in Canada. He came to Edinburgh to see us. And we saw him in Australia. So that'll be pretty cool. Gonna go see him and his girlfriend. Potentially might even go to a car boot in the morning before we go there. Yeah, that'd be nice. I don't know if I'll film much because he won't want to be in this, so yeah, might just film on the drive, coming back, how we got on and stuff like that. But yeah, really hope England win today. And an actual performance. Fingers crossed, eh? So England won, but they did in England. They couldn't just let our heart not race and get angry the whole way through and save it for the last 15 minutes. But yeah, we'd be absolutely useless if we didn't have Harry Kane. He is unbelievable. Yeah, honestly. I even had to change my top halfway through because I gave up supporting him. But yeah, I'm going to leave this video here for now, gang. If you can subscribe and all those bits for me, that'll be really helpful. Drop me a comment. If you've got any questions for me, again, leave them below. Or add me on my social media. It's all Kushti everywhere. Send me a DM, whatever you need. I'm happy to help. Good luck with your reselling. And I'll see you tomorrow.